Artificial intelligence looks like the future: fast profits, smart decisions, endless possibilities. But warning, behind the hype hides a darker side that could quietly destroy your business. From exploding costs and data leaks to bias, cyber attacks, and factory shutdowns, AI can turn into a ticking time bomb. Most companies never see the dangers until it's too late. So today, we'll uncover the 10 hidden risks of AI every business must know, and how you can protect yourself before disaster strikes. Imagine flipping on your brand new AI system, expecting profits to skyrocket, only to watch costs balloon, customers get angry, and your reputation slip through your fingers. Warning, this isn't rare, it's happening to businesses everywhere. The first trap is cost. AI isn't cheap magic, it's an endless cycle of training, tuning, and maintenance. If you scale too soon, you'll burn cash faster than you can count it. Start small or risk financial collapse. The second danger is data privacy. One careless input can expose sensitive financial records to the wrong hands. Remember, what you paste into AI today can haunt your business tomorrow. Third, bias and black box decisions. Picture being denied a loan by an algorithm with no explanation. That's not just unfair, it's dangerous for trust and compliance. If you can't explain AI decisions, regulators and customers will punish you. Fourth, cybersecurity. Hackers are already using AI as their new weapon. A single attack can drain bank accounts, forge identities, or shut down your operations. Ignore this warning, and you're not just risking money, you're risking survival. Fifth, in factories and plants, an AI glitch can halt entire production lines, cause defective goods, or even accidents. Don't hand control to machines without safeguards, or the cost will be catastrophic. Sixth, the human touch. Automating too much makes your service cold, robotic, and hated. Warning, once you lose customer trust, no AI can win it back. Balance bots with real people where it matters most. Seventh, over-reliance. If AI does everything, your team forgets how to think, and when the system fails, no one can step in. That's not efficiency, that's suicide. Drill your people to work without AI at least once a month. Eighth, model drift. Markets shift, laws change, and yesterday's smart AI quietly becomes today's liability. If you don't retrain, you're flying blind. Ninth, legal trouble. Regulators are circling, and AI mistakes can mean lawsuits, fines, or public scandal. Without audit trails and clear policies, you're exposed. 10th, the hidden cost is energy. Big AI systems eat electricity and money, leaving behind both a financial and environmental debt. If you ignore this, the savings you expected may vanish. Finally, vendor lock-in. The more you rely on one AI provider, the more trapped you become. Costs creep, flexibility dies, and soon your entire business is at someone else's mercy. We've already seen trading bots trigger flash crashes, support bots hallucinate policies, and factory AIs misclassify defects, all costing real companies millions. The bottom line: AI isn't good or bad, it's an amplifier. If your process is messy, AI will scale the mess. If your process is disciplined, AI will scale the win. So take this as your warning: don't trust AI blindly. Pilot small, guard your data, explain your decisions, drill your teams, and keep humans in the loop. That's how you build smart, scale safe, and protect your future. If this opened your eyes, hit subscribe, drop a like, and comment which AI risk you fear the most, because the dark side of AI is real, but only the prepared will survive it. Finally, AI can be your greatest ally, or your biggest risk, depending on how you use it. Remember, pilot small, guard your data, keep humans in the loop, and never ignore the hidden dangers we covered today. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and make AI work for you, not against you.